Friends, let us see the next topic, cubes and dice. Friends, let me go with dice here. Dice we can divide into folded dice and unfolded die. This is the folded die and this is the unfolded die. This is the unfolded die. First we'll go with folded die. Okay. Any die will be having 6 faces. 6 faces are 6 sides. What are those 6 faces? Top, bottom, front, back, right, left. These are the 6 phases. See, if I take any side or any face, I am taking this front. For this front, top and bottom and right and left are the adjacent. For any side, there will be 4 adjacent sides and 1 opposite side. See, if I am taking this side, for this side, top and bottom and left and right are adjacent and back will be the opposite side. Okay, what is meant by adjacent? If 3 persons are sitting in a bench, A, B, C, for A, B is the adjacent. For C, B is the adjacent. For B, A and C are the adjacent. So what is meant by adjacent? Sitting neighbor. Okay. Now for any side, there will be 4 adjacent sides. For if I take top, right and left, front and back are the adjacent. Bottom will be the opposite side. For any side, there will be 4 adjacent sides. Adjacent sides are faces. 1 opposite side. This is the note point 1. First note, okay. For any side, if you take out of 6 any side, for this side, this is the adjacent, this is adjacent, this is adjacent, this is adjacent. So 1 opposite side. So 4 adjacent sides, 1 opposite side, and this side. Total 6 sides. Okay, this is note point 1. Now, in one view, see, this is the view, right? I am rolling the die. This is the view. In one view, from that side, I am able to see only 3 sides, 3 faces, 3, 5, 6. In one view, I am able to see 3 faces or 3 sides, and remaining 3 sides I not able to see. If I rotate like this, in this case also I am able to see these 3 phases. Remaining 3 phases will be hidden. Okay, in one view, I can see 3 sides visible and 3 sides hidden. Okay, if you take any view, you are able to see any 3 sides. 3 sides will be visible, 3 sides will be hidden. Okay, now for this die, I am taking some views. So first view, I am taking first view. First view. See, what is the first view? 3, 5, 1. 3, 5, 1. This is the first view. This is the second. Just I am rolling the die. This is the second view. 1, 2, 4. One, two, 4. I am taking third view. Third view will be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now these all 3 views for same die, right? Yes, same die. Now out of these 3, if I am taking these 2 views, this is the one view, this is this second view, this third view I am taking. For these 2 views, any 2 sides are equal means, see, This side is equal, this side is equal, this side is same, this side is same for these two views. So remaining side will be the opposite, remaining sides will be the opposite sides. So 4 will be opposite to 3. Okay, 4 will be opposite to 3. See, this is the 4. For this 4, opposite is what? 3. Okay, now we're going to discuss folded die related problem. See, the 6 faces of a cube have been marked with letters. 6 faces are marked with letters A, B, C, D, E and F respectively. This cube is rolled 3 times. One die is marked with letters A, B, C, D, E, F, and that cube is rolled 3 times. Okay, that then when rolled 3 times, there are going to be 3 positions or 3 views, right? The 3 views also given. Now we have to find which letter is opposite to face F. In figure X, what is the bottom face? In bottom face of figure Y is what? These 3 questions we are going to find. Now, first question. Which letter is opposite to F? Which letter is opposite to F? C. For F, D and C are adjacent. Why? Because if not adjacent, we can't see. If D or C are out of D and C, anything is opposite, we can't see in this view, right? So D and C are adjacent. From this third view, for F, B and C are adjacent. B and C are adjacent. So for F, which and all adjacent? DC and BC. Sorry, BE. DC and BE are adjacent. Then what is remaining? What is remaining? A is the remaining. So for F, A is the opposite. A is the opposite. Okay. Answer is A. Now, in figure X, bottom face. See, what is the top face? Top face is E. So we have to find opposite to E. What is opposite to E? Now again, for E, what and all adjacent? D and A are adjacent. Now, in any other figure E is there? E is there in Z figure. So B and F also adjacent. So for E, there will be 4 adjacent and there should be a 1 opposite side. What is remaining? A covered, B covered, D covered, F covered. So C is the opposite. So for E, C is the opposite. So C is the answer here. Okay. For second question, C is the opposite to E, or for figure X, bottom will be the C. Okay. Now, third question, bottom face of figure Y. What is the bottom face of figure Y? So what is the top face? D. So what is opposite to D? We have to find. What is opposite to D? C. For F, A is the opposite. For E, C is the opposite. So for D, B is the opposite. Directly we can tell. Otherwise, using note 1, for D, from figure X, E and A are adjacent. From figure Y, F and C also adjacent. So what is remaining? B is the remaining. So B is the opposite. For any side D, for example D, there will be 4 adjacent sides and 1 opposite side. Okay, question number 2. 6 faces of a cube have been marked with numbers. For die, there will be 6 faces. All 6 faces marked with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 respectively. This cube rolled 2 times. The 2 positions are given. See, if I roll this die 1 time, this is 1 view. Again, 1 more time I am rolling. This is 1 more view. So 2 views are given. We have to find which will appear opposite to 4, which will appear opposite to 4. So now what we're going to do here is we have to find opposite to 4. Now in these two figures, what is common? What is common? 3 is common, right? So 3 is common. So for 3, 2 and 1 are adjacent here. From this figure 2, 5 and 6 are adjacent. So what is opposite to 3? See, 2, 1, 5, 6 are adjacent. So what is remaining? 4 is the opposite. 4 is opposite. So for 3, 4 is the opposite. For 4, 3 is the opposite. So what is the answer? 3 is the answer. Nothing we did. From these two figures, what is common? 3 is the common. I took 3. For 3, I found what and all adjacent. So 2, 1, 5, 6 are adjacent. So what is remaining? 4 is the remaining. So 4 will be the opposite of 3. So I want opposite of 4. So for opposite of 4, 3 is the. See, what is the B question? Which number faces opposite to 2? From figure 1, I can write for 2, 1 and 3 are adjacent. For any side, there will be 4 adjacent sides, right? So remaining 2 sides are I have to fill. But in next figure, second figure, there is no 2 side here. So I can't fill remaining 2 adjacent sides. So what I am doing here is, for 2, 1 and 3 are not opposite. Why? Because they are adjacent. So what and all remaining? What and all remaining? 4, 5, 6. Okay. Out of these 3, there might be a one adjacent, one opposite. 4 is not a opposite. Why? Because 4 is opposite to 3. So out of 5 and 6, there will be a one opposite, either 3, either 5 or 6. So this is the answer. Either 5 or 6 will be the opposite to 2. Otherwise, if option is given either 5 or 6, that is right. Otherwise, data is not sufficient. That option given means that is the right answer. Okay. When two views are given, sometimes we can't able to tell what is opposite to what. That is this situation. Okay. Thank you for watching my video.